Hi you guys, welcome back. Well, today I want to talk to you about a sewing machine that I bought. It's a Singer Inspiration. When I bought it, it seemed like everything was working, so I brought it home, went ahead and put some fabric in it, and sure enough, when I went through the motions of seeing if everything was working, I noticed that the reverse did not work, which was a little disappointing because, as you know, nowadays if you take your sewing machine to have anything done nowadays, it's $100. So I tried to fix it myself. Now, I don't fix sewing machines, I don't even touch sewing machines, but I'm pretty dangerous with a Phillips screwdriver or a flat screwdriver and a pair of pliers. So if you're not afraid to pull some dials out and unscrew some Phillips screws, I can show you how easy this was to fix. So the first thing you want to do is unplug your sewing machine. I have mine unplugged from the wall. Now let's remove the extension table. Now we're going to remove some dials. All we need to do is pull out. Okay, the dial with the red Singer emblem on, this dial you're going to pull out. Behind it is another dial. That also pulls out. Now we're going to pull out the stitch dial, and last, the square tension button. Don't be afraid, they may seem a little hard to pull, but they come straight out. The needle offset dial stays, but remember this. Again, remember this. Once you have all the dials and screws out, this may seem a little difficult to take the front cover off because this dial is going to be hanging up. But rest assured, it comes off. Now we're going to turn the machine around and we're going to take off this one screw first, which takes off the front round cover. Once you have the screw removed, the front plastic cover moves forward just like you pulled the dials. Now let's turn the machine on its side. You're going to remove 3 Phillips screws. Now let's turn the machine up, still looking at it from the back side, and we're going to remove 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are 6 Phillips screws. Okay, now that we got all the screws out and all the dials removed, we can remove the front cover. All we need to do is remove the front cover. You're going to pull from the bottom out, and as you're removing it from the bottom, everything starts to move forward. The only hang up is the dial up on top. Play with it a little, don't worry, it'll come right out. Once you pulled the front cover off, now we'll be able to see and diagnose the problem. Okay, you can see here that I got the front cover off, but you can also see I took off the back cover, which I really didn't need to do. Don't worry about the back cover coming off. Now you're going to see this metal lever here. Move it back and forth, and as you're moving it back and forth, look inside and you'll see a hook. If that hook isn't moving up and down, that's your problem. What you need to do is go in there and put some oil into different locations, take a pencil like I did, and just kind of move some stuff around. Don't force anything, it'll eventually work itself loose, and you'll see all of a sudden everything will start to move. I wish I videotaped this earlier to show you how it was done. I'm doing this video after the fact, but it's so easy, I'm telling you. Just take a little oil and shoot it in there and everything will work its way loose and you fix the problem. At this point, just put everything back together and you're good to go. I think we're done with the patient. He'll be just fine now. All he needs is a few thousand yards to push through it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you, and I surely hope it saved you $100. Again, don't be afraid. It's just some Phillips screws, pull some knobs, a little oil, and you're good to go. If you're a little afraid or a little intimidated to do this, then I suggest take it to your local repair guy and have him work on it. But if you're like me and not afraid, go ahead and go for it and save yourself some money. Alright, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other how-to videos. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. That way you can see my latest video. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you at my next video. Until then, bye.